to you about our spelling packet this week. We haven't done any spelling or any of our reading practices since we left because that's one of those things that involves a lot of coding and practice work that I just didn't want to put on your parents to do. But I felt like this is a really important one for you guys to know how to read and for you to practice. So I'm going to be pulling out a few more rules, a few more of our cards to go over before the end of the year, just so you've got all the tools you need to be ready. So let's look at these words, and these are going to be some of the words that are for you to code on Tuesday. So you're going to code and read them on Tuesday, and then practicing them on Wednesday, practicing them on Thursday, and then on Friday, your parents are going to do like a dictation where they say the word like omission, and then you write it down. It's not really a spelling test, but it might feel like one. Okay, so we've got the words omission, discussion, permission. Another one would be expression. And another one is percussion. So percussion is that part of the orchestra where people are banging on things like drums, cymbals, the triangle. Those are all percussion. So our new card for this week is ssion, percussion, shun. So those double S's and the ION come together to make the sound shun. It is unexpected, but it's reliable, which means it happens a lot. It happens often, over and over again. So if you see SSION, remember, percussion, the sound it will make is shun. We code the letters SION with a half bracket, leaving this S with the syllable before. And just like any final stable syllable, we will accent the syllable before. So I wanted to do that for you so you can get an example of how it's done. Here's the word discussion. Discussion is when people are talking about a specific topic and are maybe saying that they agree or they disagree, but they're dialoguing together. To discuss something is to talk about it. When you have a discussion, everyone is talking about it. One is a verb, one is a noun. So let's think about how we would code this. First, we've got to go through and see how many syllables do we have. Discussion. 3 syllables, so we'll start by dividing. Discussion. We know our last syllable we are going to mark with a half bracket. Just like this, we know we're going to be accenting the syllable before because this is our new final stable syllable, discussion. We also know that we need to code I with a breve because it's a short vowel. We're coding U with a breve because it's a short vowel. Discussion. There you go. Your word is coded. Just a little refresher on how we do our coding. If you have any questions at all when you're going through that list, let me know. I'm going to be filling it out, and I will have a picture of the correct coding so I can text it to your parents, and it will have questions they can ask, like, is there anything else you need to put on the first syllable? Is there anything else you need to put on the second syllable to help you think about it? And so if you need any extra help, though, you can just call me. Okay, that's all.